What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, guys, I actually want to give some updates on Ripple XRP, and the reason being is that Coinbase Bytes, for those of you that don't know, is a newsletter that Coinbase sends out to its user base that has opted into it. And they've highlighted some key things with Ripple XRP that make me think that it's ready for a true comeback. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, consider smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribing to the channel. The overall cryptocurrency market has been on a really nice uptrend after the Federal Reserve have decided to reduce the federal funds rate by half a percentage point, which of course is signaling potentially no recession and bringing back investor demand for risk on assets. Bitcoin and Ethereum up 4% and 4.6% respectively. We're seeing Solana up 4.66%, but Ripple XRP is lagging behind a little bit, up about only 0.25% on the day. But overall, the question becomes right now, we know there's been a lot of positive things for Ripple, but why is it? Why is it that it's really been just consolidating? A few breakouts here and there to 70 cents. But why? Why is it being suppressed ever since its really big rally back in 2018 where it broke over $3? And the question becomes, can Ripple break above that $3 resistance point that was once seen in 2018 after all the positive regulatory findings that have occurred? And my opinion is absolutely. And we'll talk about why. So, volume lackluster at $1.1 billion exchanged in hands of traders. Respectable overall in crypto. But again, the overall community sentiment you're seeing here from from CoinMarketCap is overall very bullish considering the overall market rebound. But let's go ahead and talk about Coinbase and what they said about XRP Ripple. Bitcoin and the Fed's cut rate. We see here that they talk about the Bitcoin crossed 63,000 after the Fed's rate cut decision, plus a closer look at some of the things that they mentioned about ETF inflows, BTC mining profits, etc. But what I want to talk about is here. Is XRP poised for a breakout? After several years of setbacks, a flurry of recent developments have caught some market watchers' attention. Let's go ahead and scroll down and skip over this. Yes, it's the first time the Feds have cut rates since 2020 with the pandemic. And it says here, is XRP finally poised for breakout? And of course, we know about this here, the SEC versus XRP lawsuit that was ongoing for quite some time. A judge ruled back in 2023 of July itself that it's not a security, and sales of XRP to retail investors via crypto exchanges, for example, did not qualify as a securities transaction. In the wake of the decision, crypto markets saw a major spike over 70 cents for Ripple. Eventually, Ripple paid a fine of $125 million in August of 2024 to settle the charges related to its sales to institutional investors, over the counter, of course. The fine effectively marked the end of the case, though the SEC does have until next month to file an appeal, which is right now looking like they have a few more weeks, actually. Grayscale launched an XRP trust. That just happened last week. So Grayscale XRP will not only be available to accredited investors for now, it will only be available for accredited investors by the SEC's requirements. But the trust could pave the way for eventually an XRP ETF. Grayscale's Bitcoin and Ethereum trust both ultimately converted to ETFs. Earlier this year, the Standard Chartered said it believes XRP will eventually have its own ETF as soon as 2025. If you have an exchange-traded fund, then we start talking about pensions being able to invest. We're talking about people who are looking at their 401k, investors, retail, and institutional alike. And Ripple also preparing for the release of its own stablecoin on its blockchain, or RLUSD. Of course, when you have a more robust ecosystem surrounding your cryptocurrency, that of course in turn is going to be extremely positive, and it's going to be reflected in its ecosystem and also in the overall market cap and market participants who are interested in investing into it. So the bottom line, from Coinbase again, after years of legal battles, the coming months could represent a major reversal trajectory for XRP. As Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, put it, as I've said before, with XRP having regulatory clarity in the US and other countries, I expect it's only a matter of time for the space to grow. So be prepared, never surprised for what's to come. If you don't have positions in XRP, do your due diligence and make that decision for yourself. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold. Always putting you guys on the plays that I am in. And you could see right now, there are a lot of exchanges where you can get yourself some XRP. Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Bybit, you name it, you can get it. I appreciate your support as always. That's all I had. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.